So today we're at beautiful San Clemente Pier, south of where we were yesterday, quite a ways south from Huntington Beach. So we've parked here and we're gonna just start our little walk. San Clemente's beautiful beach town, very casual, very fun, lots of surfing. We'll go down and see those waves. Those look pretty darn good. All right, here we are at San Clemente Pier. It's a beautiful park to sit up here. San Clemente is a sleepy beach town. It's got a beautiful pier. This is actually San Clemente State Beach is here, and they do a lot of RV camping, kind of famous for that. So this pier is not quite as long as Huntington, where we were the other day. Huntington Pier is about 500 feet longer than this and cement, whereas this is a traditional wooden pier. Lots of surfing going on down here. There's surf competitions down here as well. You can see it's about a, I don't know, mile-long beach. We'll go down closer and take a look. It's got some beautiful homes and that. Right above it, on the cliffs right above it. And there are cliffs right behind it. The railroad track runs by it. In fact, we'll go down there and look, and you'll be able to see it. We might hear a train come by. But they actually have a train station here. The train stops here. So you can get on and off right over there. It's really cool. So across the street from the pier, some cute little condo apartment kind of things. Cute little shops underneath. The ice cream. They have good ice cream over there. I've been in there. And a Bear Coast coffee shop. You might have to walk in there. And then there's a little hotel, bed and breakfasty kind of a place. Boutique hotel, I guess they call them. All right, so here we go. We're gonna cross the railroad tracks, go down to the pier. Just step here. Let's go. Crossing the train tracks. Safely, of course. You all right? Lovely place to just come sit, relax. See how the beach is not quite as wide as Huntington or Newport for that matter. And straight down from the cliffs right above it. The Fisherman's a restaurant and bar, so bar. Beach. We'll be going in the bar. All right, let's head out. Ready? Going in the bar first or the pier first? All right, let's do that.
Start getting the crowd.
Yeah, probably, huh?
Okay.
We do a lot of fishing off of this pier too. See, wooden Cute. All right, so there's the bar, and we are going to go inside and see where Glenn got us a table. Oh, I think I see him.
Home from home.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't beat the snow.
He'll find us a place in the shade.
Yeah, sides of
Okay, so I had my club chowder and one glass of wine. Ben's going to order me another one. I am going to take a little bit more video here of this gorgeous view. I can't believe the weather is just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's looking south towards San Diego. And as you can see, the cliffs and the beach right down below it. That's what's kind of cool about San Clemente, a little different. And the railroad tracks run adjacent to the beach all the way down. So when you do ride the train, you've got this gorgeous view as you head towards San Diego. And that's a fun trip too. The surf liner. Woohoo! Maybe we should do that one of these days. And that is looking to the north toward Lagoon Beach. Apple Beach first, I guess. Lagoon Beach, Newport, all that. And if it was a clear day, we could see Catalina, I think, but I can't. I'm not really good with direction. Glenn knows that a whole lot better than I do. All right, so here we go. So this pier is not, like I said, not as long as Huntington. Huntington is 1,850 feet. Sorry for the background noise. And this one's only about 1,300. So about 500 feet less and wooden. But it does have all the light poles. Oh yeah, looks like they're fixing one of the pylons. Looks like it's in bad shape. You can see all the barnacles and everything on it. Kind of cool. Huh. And rotted. We'll take a little walk down here. See how beautiful this is today. Ah, so peaceful. You can just come sit on one of these benches and listen to the water. It's awesome. Looks like they're doing a little bit more work down here too. Let's see what this sign says. Maybe that will help me kind of figure out where I am. Oh no, it just talks about the seagulls and the pelicans. They are most familiar birds found along the coastline. And the most common gull found in Southern California is the California gull. That's all these white ones you're going to see as we go along here. Okay, so they're kind of fixing the boards here. That was a little loud, so I chose not to.
It was fun though. I mean, he had an epic 50th birthday. He's got a lot to live up to.
I know, I can still hear him. He's trying to get away. Some bathrooms here, about halfway down the pier.